Yes, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, welcome back to the session of BCME1. What all you have studied in the last class? Whether the screen is visible with full screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the last class we have studied about the hydrological cycle. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is entire cycle of the hydrological cycle. Can anybody explain this cycle? मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था एटलीस्ट इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज. ओके, मैंने जैसे एक्सप्लेन किया था वैसे नहीं चाहिए, एटलीस्ट आपको जो अंडरस्टैंड हो गया वो उतना तो एटलीस्ट एनीवन यू कैन टेक लीड. ओके, हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करिए, मराठी में एक्सप्लेन करिए, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. आप एक्सप्लेन करिए, एक्सप्लेन करो, अनम्यूट करो, अनम्यूट करके एक्सप्लेन करो. करेक्ट नहीं हुआ क्या? ओके, यस एनीवन. How was your ISC paper? I wanted to ask about that one. I have not seen your paper set. How it was? Was it good or bad or okay? Yes. Any responses?
Good, sir.
Okay. It was good. Any other answers? Okay, better, best. Have you written all the questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, कितना 30 marks का था ना वो पेपर?
Yes.
Out of 15 in BCME1, 15 out of 15 will you get? Anybody? MCQ, was it easy or difficult? Okay. So this one we have explained all the things. Okay.
Sir, ते IRC क्लासिफिकेशन जे आहे रोडचं ते फक्त नॅशनल हायवे, स्टेट हायवे ते न लिहितात ते सगळं ना, डिपेंडिंग ऑन वेदर, डिपेंडिंग ऑन पेवमेंट, परत डिपेंडिंग ऑन सरफेस, ते सगळं येते ना त्या क्लासिफिकेशन मध्ये.
No. IRC means what? NH, national highway,
National highway,
state highway, major district road, other district road, and village road.
तर त्यात फक्त तेवढंच लिहिलंय ते.
IRC classification with their definitions also. कितना मार्क्स का था वो क्वेश्चन? कितना मार्क्स का था?
4 marks.
4 marks means you have to write all the classification and also you have to write the definition also. उसका definition भी लिखने का है. National highway and its definition, state highway and its definition, major MDR, village roads, other district roads, उसका definition लिखने का. Okay. Any other doubts? No doubt, no? Why it is not visible? Okay, this one we have completed, no? Main components of the hydrological cycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last, okay, is it visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this one transportation components and where the water is stored, storage components we have seen in the last class. Okay. Next, coming to the point of dams. Okay. Can anybody tell me what is dam? Dam means what? What is dam? Yes, anyone in your own language. Okay, no problem. Accurate definition नहीं चाहिए. Dam मतलब आपको क्या याद आएगा?
Storage of water.
Yes, good. Storage of water. Next, any other definitions? Any other definitions? Okay. Dam is a solid barrier constructed at a suitable location across a river valley to store the flowing water. Okay, whenever water is flowing, just a minute. Okay, whenever this, when you consider this is a river, okay, river, whenever water is flowing like this, okay, you have to store this entire water, you have to store this entire water and you have to utilize in a proper way. If you don't utilize this water, then what it will go to, it will go and it will reach to the ocean. Okay, ocean. What about the ocean water? Whether is it pure water or is it a saline water? Fresh water or
Saline water.
Saline water.
Is it usable or not usable?
Not usable.
Not usable. Okay, so during rainy season, the entire fresh water, if you don't store in a proper way, then it will lead to the ocean water. Okay, and the water will become saline water. Okay, in order to avoid that water, in order to store this entire fresh water, we have to construct a barrier. We have to construct a solid barrier constructed at a suitable location. This is important. Okay, at a suitable location across a
Slide
river.
change झाली sir.
Slide change हो गए? Everyone, slide is it changing? Slide change हो गए?
No, sir.
No,
No,
no.
sir.
Only it is there. Okay. Yes, wait. I will. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So dam is a solid barrier which is constructed at a suitable location across a river to store the flowing water. So when you consider this is a river, okay. So river. So is it visible? Whatever I am writing on the screen.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a river. Okay. So water is flowing. If you don't store it in a proper way, then it will go and reach to the ocean. Okay, ocean. So in order to avoid this reaching to the ocean, we have to construct a solid barrier, and this water is stored in a proper way. Okay, proper way, and the whatever stored water is there, this water has to be used for the your irrigation purpose, or for the town planning purpose, or for your recreational purpose, your residential purpose, or institutional purpose, any other. Okay, drinking purpose, bathing, clothing, any other. Okay, for all the purpose you can use whatever water is stored. So the entire structure, this structure, okay, this structure is called as what? It is dam. Okay, dam. What is a dam? Dam is a solid barrier constructed at a suitable location across a river valley to store flowing water. Okay, whenever water is flowing, at that time we have to store it in a proper way. That is called as dam. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Any
Yes.
response? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So storage of water is utilized for the following purpose. Why to store the water? क्यों store करने का? What is the advantage of water to store? Okay, so we can use the stored water for the hydropower. Just a minute. We can use it for the hydropower. Then we can use the water for the irrigation purpose. We can use the water for the domestic purpose. We can use the water drought and flood control. Okay, whenever water and drought is there, at that time we can use it for the drought and flood control. Okay, So next, for navigational facilities we can use, and other additional and utilization is to be developed for the fisheries. So in order to do the fisheries and all, we can use for the this dam and all. Okay, the entire purpose is used for the dam. So by constructing dam, the main purpose is for the hydropower. Okay, we can generate electrical energy, okay, from the storing the water. Then irrigation purpose we can use water for the domestic consumption. Okay, whatever water we are utilizing in our day-to-day household, no, so that water is what it is from the dam only. Okay, during the drought means during when there is no rainy season. Okay, during the full summer there is no rain. In that condition, the whatever water is stored, that stored water can be used. During the flood control, see, during the rainy season, if the rain is very high, okay, rain is very high, in that case the water is flowing excessively. Okay, the entire water is stored in a dam. At that time the flood is controlled. And navigational activities, so these all are the for the purpose. Next, structure of the dam. Okay, so this is the basic structure of the dam. Okay, is it visible slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the entire concrete structure. Okay, it is the entire concrete or different types of structures. So there are this is first one is this is upstream. This is upstream side, and one more is downstream side. So when it is called as upstream and when it is called as downstream, the upstream means the portion of the dam in which water is stored. In which water is stored is called upstream. See, all the at this upstream side water is stored, and downstream side there will be gate and the water is flow. Water will flow through the downstream side. Okay. So this point is called as heel. Heel is that portion to at the bottom portion of a dam towards the upstream side. Heel is it is that portion of the dam which is at the bottom and near to the upstream. And toe, what is toe? Toe is the bottom portion of the dam which is at the bottom portion of the which is at the downstream side, which is at the downstream side is called as toe. Okay, these 2 points are very important, heel and toe. Next, so this is called a gallery. Gallery. So we will see the what is the function of gallery and all. So this is called as your sluice way. It means whenever water we want to take the water for our day-to-day activities, for the river, for the dam, for the water treatment plant. Okay, I told in the water treatment plant. So water is drawn from the dam to the intake structure to the water treatment plant. Correct? Are you remembering? So are you remembering? So from the dam, how to take the water? Through the sluice way or sluice gate. It is called a sluice gate or sluice way. Okay. Then, so there is a one more term that is called as spillway. Spillway. So what is this spillway is there inside the dam. Okay. What is the function of that one? We'll see it. Then the topmost portion is called as crest. The topmost portion of the dam is called as crest, and the bottommost portion is called as bottom में दो part है, one is heel and another one is toe. Where the heel is there? Heel is present near the upstream or downstream?
Upstream.
Upstream.
Toe is present near
Downstream.
downstream. Okay. Next. So see there is a dotted line. So that is NWL. That is normal water level. Whenever there is a water in the dam, that should be within this one. That is normal water level. Okay, that may be here or here or here. This is the maximum. Okay, normal water level. So when you take this one, MWL, that is maximum water level. Okay, so during your normal days, the water will be in this portion only. During the rainy season, okay, the level of water is going to increase. Okay, it may reach up to this much maximum water level. Okay, if there is again there is a raining again, if the water is storing above the maximum water level, then the entire water is removed through the spillway. Okay, now you got the function of a spillway. What is the spillway? Spillway is that portion of the dam in which the excess water above the maximum water level can be removed. Is it clear? What is spillway?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is that portion of the dam in which the excess water above the maximum water level that can be removed through the spillway. So there is one more portion that is called as freeboard. What is freeboard? Freeboard is the, so you have seen this is maximum water level, this is normal water level. So see, this is the spillway portion. So when you take the water is coming inside the dam. Okay, so this is the maximum. Okay, maximum water. So and this is the normal water. The difference between the maximum water level and the minimum normal water level is called a freeboard. What is the freeboard? Freeboard is the difference between the maximum water level and normal water level is called as freeboard. So always this freeboard should be maintained in the dam. So this is normal. So next, this is crest. This portion is downstream. This portion is upstream. Okay. So this is freeboard. This is sluiceway. This is gallery. This is heel. This is toe. So it is very important for the examination point of view. He may ask. So draw a neat sketch of structure of a dam. So in the ISC it was asked for the road. No, correct? No? ISC. I was not set your question paper. Road section पूछा था ना? So draw the neat section of the road. Okay, it was asked, no? Embankment or cutting? Which one was asked?
No, sir.
It was not asked. Then what? Water treatment plant, schematic diagram of treatment plant. It was asked, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is a diagram and all, that will be asked. So in your roads in embankment, road in cutting, okay, water treatment plant, okay, line flow diagram is important, and at the same time this is also important. Okay. Is there any doubt? What is all the parts? Is it clear? Okay, so we'll see one by one. What is heel, what is and all. So what is a heel? Heel is contact with the ground on the upstream side. Okay, heel is the contact with the ground on the upstream side. So you have seen this is heel. It is that portion of the dam in which at the bottom, in which at the upstream side. Okay, this heel is connected to the ground. Okay, is it visible? Full slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have seen heel. Next is toe. Toe is contact. It is also contact with the ground on the downstream side. It is on the downstream side. Okay, so this you have seen the toe, and this you have seen at the heel. Next, at the abutment. Abutment is it is side of a valley on which the structure of the dam rests. So if at all the river is flowing like this, okay, you have to construct a dam like this. Okay, so at the end side, so for the better condition, so this is how the water is flowing. Okay, this is how the water is flowing. This is a road and this is a road. So if you construct a dam here in between these two, the end portion को क्या बोलते हैं? That is called a embankment. The side of a valley, it is side of a valley on which the structure of the dam is rest. Okay, this entire dam is rest on these two structures. That is called as abutments. Next, what is gallery? Galleries are small rooms like structure left within the dam for checking the operations. It means whenever there is a dam, so consider this is a, okay, so this is entire dam. Okay, there will be gallery. Okay, through this gallery a person can walk inside. Okay, if there is any fault in the dam, okay, he can observe all these things. Okay, that is galleries are small room like structure left within the dam for checking the operations. Okay, if you want to open your gate of the dam, you can go here. If you want to close your dam, okay, that also you can go here. Next, diversion tunnel. What is this diversion tunnel? So whenever, see, this is entire river is flowing. Okay, river is flowing. I want to construct a dam here. Okay, dam I want to construct. Is it visible? Whatever I am writing,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I want to construct a dam here, so river is flowing. The water is continuously flowing. So is it possible to construct a dam when the water is flowing? When the water is flowing, is it possible to construct a dam?
No, sir.
No. So what I have to do, I have to divert this water. I have to divert this water to flow like this, and this place will be entire. It is dry. This place should be. I should make it is dry. So when it is dry, I have to construct a dam here. Afterwards, I have to allow the water. This diversion is made here. That tunnel is called as diversion tunnel. So what is diversion tunnel? These are the tunnels are constructed. The tunnels are constructed for diverting the water before constructing the dam. Before constructing the dam, this helps in keeping the river bed dry. Is it correct? Are you getting? There is a path of the river. Okay, I have to construct a dam here. So the river is continuously flowing. Okay, when the river is continuously flowing, I cannot construct a dam. So for that river, I have to open a tunnel. Okay, that tunnel is called diversion tunnel, because this entire water is flowing like this, and this area will become dry. Okay, when it is in dry condition, I can construct the dam. Okay, this is called as diversion tunnel. Then one more is spillway. So what is this spillway? Spillway is the arrangement near the top of the top to release the excess water of the reservoir to the downstream side. Okay, so you have seen. So here there is a spillway. Okay, it is inside the dam. Okay, it is inside the dam. So what it was do? So this is maximum water level. Maximum water level. So this is normal water level. Correct, na? Normal water level. Whenever water is above the maximum water level, okay, whenever water is above the maximum water level, the entire water is removed through the spillway. Through the spillway, that opening or that portion is called a spillway. Is it clear? Spillway. Okay, so when you consider this is normal water level, this is maximum water level. When the water is going above the maximum, this is MWL, maximum water level. So when the water is going upward side, so at that time you have there will be a spillway portion. So through this spillway, the water is removed. Then what about the sluiceway? Sluiceway is it is an opening in the dam near the ground level, which is used to clear the silt accumulation in the reservoir side. So when the water is storing here, okay, when the water is storing, so this water is containing so many silt content and all. Okay, sand or any stone particle, silt particle, that particle will be stored here. Okay, so as the particle is storing here, the silt content is going to increase. Okay, that silt content will be removed through the sluiceway, and also your gate can be opened so that water will be flow through the gate, the sluiceway. So through the spillway, what is removed? The excess water above the maximum water level is removed. Okay, through the sluiceway, which type of water is removed? The normal water, whatever is there. So if you want to use water for your irrigation purpose, that water is removed from the sluiceway. If you want to allow the water through the canal, then you have to open the sluice gate. If you want the water for your household purpose, okay, so your water treatment plant, you have to open the gate of sluiceway. So sluiceway gate is opened for the all the water work, and spillway is opened when spillway is opened when the water is above the maximum water level. Okay, now types of dams. So before going for the types of dams, is it clear this dam structure, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see the maximum water level is here. Okay, when the water goes up above the maximum water level, then through the spillway water is removed. Okay, there is a sluice way. So when the water is in between these two, okay, when the normal water to until your ground, so if you want to extract the water, then which gate will you open? That is sluice way. In your MCQ questions, most of the time he will ask. So when the water is beyond the maximum water level, then which type of wall is opened? Spillway wall or sluiceway wall, both or none? Which type?
Sluice way.
No, above the maximum water
Spillway.
level.
Spillway.
Spillway. Okay, one more. If the water is used for the river or irrigation purpose, which gate is opened? Spillway gate, sluice gate, both or none? For the irrigation purpose, it is for all the purpose. All the purpose, sluice way is used. When the spillway is used, when water level in the dam is goes beyond the maximum water level. Okay, इसके ऊपर water जा रहा तो then that water is removed. Excess water is removed. That is called a spillway. Okay. Okay. Then there are different types of dams. What are the types of dams? We will see. So you have seen this is the reservoir. Okay. First, so this is entire dam. So in the dam there are two types of weights are acting. One is reservoir force and one more is self weight. So the downward force which is acting on the dam is called as, that is self weight. The self weight of the dam. Then what about this horizontal airline? These are the water force. The water force which is acting on the dam is called as reservoir force. Okay, water is storing, correct? The entire water is coming and striking to the surface of the dam. Hence, there is a reservoir force which is striking to the dam. Okay, then gravity dams. What are the different types of gravity dams? So first of all, types of gravity dams. So in the types of gravity dams, first types of dams, first one is gravity dam. So what is gravity dam? These dams are heavy. So these dams are heavy and massive wall-like structures of concrete in which the whole weight acts vertically downward. So here you can see like this only, but the entire dam will be from here to here it is. Okay, from here to here. There is a very heavy, very heavy. It is weight of the structure is very heavy and massive wall-like structure. Massive means very large wall-like structures of concrete in which the whole weight is act downward. Entire weight of this dam is acting downward. Then such a dam is called as, it is gravity dams. As the entire load is transmitted on the small area of the foundation, such a dams are constructed where rocks are competent and stable. So this, if it is a gravity dam, then its foundation is very small. So in order to withstand a very heavy weight structure, the foundation should be laid at a very rock and competent and stable. The whatever foundation is there for this dam, okay, this should be very rocky or it is stable, competent and stable. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. I'm not getting any responses.
Yes,
Okay. Then see, this is the structure of the gravity dam. See, from here to here, there will be very long length. See, the entire amount of water is storing. It is made up of the entire weight of this dam is acting downward. Next, so Bhakra Dam is the highest concrete gravity dam in Asia and second highest in world. Bhakra Dam is the highest concrete dam in Asia and second highest in the world. So Bhakra Dam is across the river Sutlej in Himachal Pradesh. Where is there in the Bhakra Dam? It is there in the Himachal Pradesh. Across which the river it is constructed? It is constructed across the Sutlej river. Okay, so in the multiple choice questions, you may ask, Bhakra Dam is constructed across dash river, that is Sutlej. Where is that Sutlej? That is in Himachal Pradesh. So this Bhakra Dam is the highest concrete gravity. Okay, concrete gravity dam. Like this also. So which Bhakra Dam is dash type of dam. Which type of dam it is? It is gravity dam. It is second highest in the world and first highest in the India or in Asia. The construction of this Bhakra Dam project was started in the year 1948. Very soon after independence, Bhakra Dam is started construction. Okay, and it was completed in 1963. It took around 15 years to complete the entire project. It is 740 feet high. The height of the Bhakra Nangal project is dam is 740 feet high, above the deepest foundation as a straight concrete dam, being more than 3 times the height of the Qutub Minar. Okay, Qutub Minar, uska jo height hai na, that's 3 times height. Length of at the top width is 518.16 meter. That is 1700 feet. So the entire length of this dam is 1700 feet. That is in terms of meter 518.15. So in terms of feet only, the length is 1700 feet. And what is the height of the Bhakra Dam? That is 740 feet is height. The base width is 190.5 meter. That is 625 feet base width. Are you getting? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
this is the entire dam. Okay, so this is length. So what is the length of the Bhakra Dam? So here it is length. Okay, this is the length. Entire length is 1700 feet. Okay, so this is the entire height of the dam. How much is its height is 740 feet. 740 feet. Then there is a base width. Well, how much is the base width? He has given width at the base is 190.5 meter. That is 625 feet. 625 feet. It is nearer to the total height only. Okay, it is such a heavy dam. Hence, always gravity dams are heavy. It is very heavy structure. Okay, so this Bhakra Dam is gravity dam. Okay. See, again, one point is given. Bhakra Dam is the highest concrete gravity dam in the Asia and second highest in the world. See the dams. These all are the gravity dams. See the structure. Next one is Buttress Dam. So here Buttress dams are, there is like buttress, okay, in which the weight of the entire structure weight is transferred to one butter to another butter. Okay, so Buttress Dam is a gravity dam reinforced by structural support. It is a gravity dam only, but it is reinforced. What do you mean by reinforced? Reinforced means what? I told in the class. What is reinforced? मतलब क्या है? RCC means what? Can anybody tell me? RCC.
Reinforced cement concrete.
Yes, good. Yes, good. Then what do you mean by reinforced means what? Reinforced means
Steel
what?
is present.
Yes, good point. Okay. Reinforced means steel is present. Steel is present. Okay. So Buttress Dam is a type of gravity dam only, but it is reinforced by the structural support. It is reinforced in this dam. It is made up of steel structures, that is steel is present. Okay. Okay. So buttress means what? You can just see. So buttress is a support that transmit a force from the roof or wall to another supporting structure. See, this is one butter, this is one butter, this is one number. So if there is a water pressure is there, okay, that pressure is transferred to the another structure. That pressure is transferred to the another structure. Like this entire structure is transferred, and finally it is come to the side abutments, or finally it is come to the ground. Okay, whatever it is, total self weight is come there, that will come to there. Okay, sometimes it is horizontal pressure is there, that will come to the abutments. Buttress is a support, so it is like a column. Okay, when you consider this is a very high structure building. Okay, so consider this is a high structure, high rise building. So one floor wall weight is coming to the this column. Okay, that column is transferred to the next floor. So here there is a weight that is transferred to the next, that is transferred to the next, that is transferred to the next. Okay, it is transferring, no, reinforcements that will transfer the load. The same way, this buttress is a support that transmit a force from a roof or wall to another supporting structure. This type of structure can be considered even if the foundation rocks are little weaker. Okay, so you have seen gravity dams ka foundation is should be very strong. That is, the dams are constructed at the rocky foundation, but buttress dams can be constructed even the foundation is rocky, but if you, even though if it is a little weaker, you can adopt this buttress dam also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next one is arch dam. Okay. What is this arch dam? These type of dams are concrete or masonry dams which are curved or convex upstream in plan. What is upstream? Upstream means where the water is stored. Okay, where the water is stored. See, this is the dam. Okay, this is the dams. Okay, this is upstream means here the water is stored. Okay, here downstream. Okay, this is upstream. So curved or convex upstream in plan. Okay, this shape helps to transmit the major part of the water load to the abutments. Okay, so if consider there is a flow of water like this. Okay, there will be upstream side, correct? Huh? So there is arch like structure. The convex is upward or downward? Convexity is upward or downward? Convexity is upward only. Okay, upstream side, hai na? So this is upstream side. Water is stored here. The convexity is here. So there is a large structure. The weight of water is coming and hitting to the dam. This dam is transferred to the abutments. See, this is a dam. Okay, so there is a abutment at this point, and again there will be abutment at this point. Their shape helps to transmit the major part of the water load to the abutment. Arch dams are built across a narrow, deep river gorges, but now in recent years they have been considered even for the little wider valley also. Okay, so you can see in the figure. Okay, I'll show the figure. You will come to know. See, there is a arch dam. See, there is arch. Now you can. So first of all, you should know what is convexity and what is concavity. So now can we tell? Is it convex or concave?
Okay.
Huh?
Concave.
Concave. Okay. So if we consider this is upstream, water is storing. That is concave ho gaya. So now, is it concave or convex?
Convex.
Convex. So when you consider this is upstream, so water is okay. Here water is stored. So see here dam. Okay. This is an entire dam. Okay. So see, it is concave. Okay, convex. So water is flowing here. Okay. Water is storing here. Okay. Upstream side. Upstream side water is storing. So this is downstream side. Downstream side. Now convexity is towards the upstream or downstream?
Upstream.
Upstream. Okay, so for the arch structure, arch dams, the convexity is in the upstream in plan. This type shape helps in transmit the major part of the water load to the abutments. Okay. Now see, this is it like arch? Arch size type hai na? So water is here, the water is stored. Entire this portion is water is stored, and when it is required, the water is removed through this one downstream side. Okay, so this is the abutments. This side is abutment. So water is giving pressure to this dam. The dam is transferring to the abutments. Okay, dam is transferring. Self weight is acting downward, but water pressure is acting horizontal. Correct. that horizontal load is transferred to the transverse direction. See, so this one is exactly it is. Is it Rtdam? Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, is it upstream or downstream?
Upstream.
Upstream. This is
Downstream.
Downstream.
downstream. So what about this one? This one and this one. These are the abutments. This is entire Rtdam. This Rtdam is supporting to the abutments. Okay, so the self weight of this dam is acting downward. The water pressure is coming to and hitting the dam in the horizontal direction. That horizontal direction pressure is directly it is converted. Okay, so it is horizontally water is acting. That horizontal load is transferred to the abutments. Okay, this is narrow. Okay, narrow river gorges. Okay, so this is how will be the Rtdams. So again, if you want to travel, there will be river roads and all. Okay, you can travel here. Next one is earthen dam. So these earthen dams are trapezoidal in shape. So these are trapezoidal in shape. Okay, so you can see here. Is it visible now? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it is visible. So these are trapezoidal in shape. Earthen dams are trapezoidal shape. See, there is no reinforcement. Okay, so only the pure material is earth. Earth material is there. Hence, it is shape is trapezoidal in shape. Earth dams are constructed where the foundation or the underlying material or rocks are weak to the support the masonry dam, or where the suitable competent rocks are greater depth. See, this is the ground level. Okay, this is the ground level. When you consider the foundation material, it should be strong or weak. So each and whatever structure you are constructing on the ground level, the foundation should be strong. Correct, no? Correct or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
But in this case, if the foundation soil is weak, in this case, if the foundation soil is weak, or there is no rocky foundation, or the rock is present at the considerable depth, at above it is weak, in that case you can go for the earthen dams. So earth dams are constructed where the foundation or the underlying material rocks are weak. The foundation or the underlying material, the material which is below, which is under the dam, that is weak to support the masonry dam, where the suitable competent rocks are greater depth. If there is a rock that is greater depth, then in that case we can go for the earthen dams. Earthen dams are relatively smaller in height and broader at the base. See, the base is from here to here, it is base, but height is only this much is height, because it is made up of purely earth material. Okay, that's why the base will be very large as compared to height. But whereas in case of you have seen, that is a arch dams or your gravity dam. In gravity dam, height was very large, correct, as compared to the width. Width से height ज़्यादा था ना उधर, height was very large as compared to the width. But in case of earthen dams, breadth is very large as compared to the height. There are mainly built with clay. See, the material for this entire dam is built by clay material, sand and gravel. Hence, they are known as earth-fill dam or rock-fill dam. The material of these earthen dams are made up of, it is clay, sand and gravel. Hence, it is known as earth-fill dam or rock-fill dams. See, this is material. The entire material is it is of a purely clay material, sand and gravel. Okay. Is it clear, everyone? So the base width is very high as compared to the height. Height is very less because it is made up of purely earth material. When the earthen dams are preferred, when the foundation is very weak. When the foundation is very weak or foundation rocky soil is at a greater depth. At a greater depth, then we can prefer for the this earthen dams. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, there will be intake structures are there. Through this, the water is extracted and it is transferred to the your water treatment plant. So this is all about the your resources, the water resources. So in the next class, we will study about the different types of transportation system. So just we will check out the your syllabus of the second chapter. Okay, is it visible now? Syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Environmental engineering completed. Water treatment plant, effluent treatment, solid waste management we have completed. Sources of water, dams, and storage reservoir. Okay, rainwater harvesting. We have completed up to this much. Next class we will see about the various modes of transportation, bridges, tunnels, railways, airport, ducts, harbors, and introduction to ITS. Okay, in the next class we will take these points. Okay. Okay. Do you have any problem? Is there any doubt? किसको doubt है क्या? How many of you submitted your assignment? Huh? I have that records. All of you, have you submitted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't find all. Okay, I will check today. I'll check and I'll submit. Okay, so now I will go for the attendance. How many students are present? Still there is a time. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
Just a minute. Roll number 2. Roll number 2.
Yes, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6. 6 is absent. 7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10, 10, 11,
Present, sir.
12, 13, 14,
Yes, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Yes.
18,
Yes, sir.
19, 19 absent, 20,
Then, sir.
21, 21, Dattatreya, 22, 23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present.
27, 28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Yes, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37, 37, 38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42, 42, 47, 43, 43,
Present, sir.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present,
46,
Present, sir.
47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
50,
Yes, sir.
51,
Yes, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Yes, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56, 56, 57,
Present, sir.
58,
Yes, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60, 61, 61, Pratik, 62, 62, Vrushal, 61, 62.
Present, sir.
What is your number?
62.
62. What is your name? What is your name?
Vrushal Swarat.
Ah, okay. So 61, Pratik. 60 is present, huh? Okay, 60 is present. Okay, the absent numbers 6, 10, 12, 19, 22, 27, 37, 42, 56. Okay, these are the absent numbers. Yes,
6 is present, sir.
6 is present. Okay, someone is asking, in the earthen dams, there is no rock. Then how we call them rocky fill dam? See, the entire in the earthen dams there is no, the foundation is, there is no rock. The rock is filled with earth. That's why it's called as rocky filled, or else it is directly called as rocky dam. The foundation is rocky dam, ऐसे बोल सकते थे. But it is not a rocky rock dam. It is rocky filled dam. Okay, so when the foundation is weak, we have to make it as a strong. We have to make it as a rocky fill. Okay, compact करने का. Then only we have to construct the dam. That's why it's called a rocky fill dam. Okay. Okay. The absent numbers 10, 12, 19, 22, 27, 37, 42, 56. These are the absent numbers. Okay. We'll stop now. We'll continue in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you all. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.